So what's up? This is Token Talk, podcast something, and the host is Two Stone. So this is the guest speaking.
Oh,
This is MC Blue.
that's MC Blue, your boy. That's MC Blue.
Aryan Sharma. Get the fuck up, bitch.
Fuck
Ain't
up.
you my host?
है ब्रो मैं इतना भंड है ना कि ये लोग जो भी सुनेगा ना समझ ही नहीं पाएगा इतना भंड इतना भंड इतना भंड इतना भंड वेलकम टू टॉक एंड टॉक द पॉडकास्ट एंड presented to you by Aryan Sharma, Anmol Jha and Vivek Anand Jha respectively. So today we have a new guest, like pehla guest, our friend dope on the mic, MC Blue.
What's up, folks? This is MC Blue.
What's up?
What's up?
So he's currently representing two scenes from two separate states altogether. One from Kolkata, another from Bangalore.
One and off.
Yeah, one and a half from here. And the Kolkata scene is also very lit.
The
these
Cypher
days.
Project, man, from Kolkata. Shout out to Cypher Project.
Cypher Project.
Shout out to CZ, shout out to everybody.
So, if this episode releases when we want to, it's gonna be Independence Day. So, bhai log, do people feel independent?
Independent. I don't know if I feel independent actually. मतलब for a 19-year-old dude in India, am I independent? पता नहीं यार, तू बता.
ब्रो देख अपना जो इंडिपेंडेंस है ना ये मालूम नहीं क्या चीज को अभी फॉलो कर रहा है ठीक है इट्स आवर लिबरेशन फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश बट आवर गवर्नमेंट इज स्टिल वेरी इंपीरियलिस्टिक
Yeah, I would agree with that. See, I call myself an independent artist. मेरा प्रोफेशन का नाम है इंडिपेंडेंस लेकिन आई एम द मोस्ट डिपेंडेंट पर्सन राइट नाउ लाइक मेरा लैंडलॉर्ड मेरे को निकालने वाला है ऑलमोस्ट घर से और निकाल दिया तो आई बी यू नो विदाउट अ होम आई बी लिविंग ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स आई हैव टू puppies and I'm dependent on them. If they take a dump on my bed, I'm screwed pretty much.
What do you say, Rakt?
So I guess it's pretty much with the insecurities and everyone wants to get free of it, okay? Now the thing is, that's a completely different topic if you enter, but we have these societal agreements,
Okay.
which is the first cause of our bonds here.
भाई देख आई बिलीव इन द सोसाइटल अग्रीमेंट बट फॉर दैट आई शुड फील एटलीस्ट स्लाइटली इंडिपेंडेंट आई कांट बी कंप्लीटली इंडिपेंडेंट अग्रीड बट लाइक राइट नाउ ड्यू टू द कोविड सिचुएशन you should be in your homes and safe but it's taken away all independence ठीक है independence has fallen drastically
चलो, Blue, your
Yeah.
बोलो.
So I would agree with Aryan. Like I have some points to add.
Okay.
तो बेसिकली मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि एक कंट्री का इकोनॉमी पे डिपेंड करता है वहाँ के लोग कितने इंडिपेंडेंट है जहाँ
हाँ.
जितना पैसा कम है लोग उतने ज्यादा
Dependent है on the government or on their families
Yeah.
या दूसरे लोगों पे.
या
Yeah. That
So I
totally
think-
makes sense.
या तो अभी मेरे को लग रहा है कि अभी हमारा देश का जो हाल है आई डोंट फील इंडिपेंडेंट एट ऑल इन दैट रिस्पेक्ट
This is the 74th year of our independence.
या
So what do you think as a teenager?
I guess I would again come back to the agreement or with the society, the relation you make. So the independence for now, for us to celebrate right now, जो कि अभी हमें चाहिए क्योंकि अब हमें पता है कि कोई अभी आके हमें कॉलोनाइज नहीं करेगा तो अभी हमारा एक मेजर इशू है कि हम ये सोसाइटल बॉन्ड्स से कैसे निकले क्योंकि यही है जो अभी हमें जकड़ के रख रही है
एक सेकंड पहले कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन व्हाट सोसाइटल बॉन्ड्स आर.
देख भाई पैसा सोसाइटल बॉन्ड है
Okay.
इंटरनेट सोसाइटल बॉन्ड
Okay.
है कल्चर सोसाइटल बॉन्ड है
So in short
मूवीज
everything?
सोसाइटल बॉन्ड है हाँ ब्रो इन शॉर्ट एवरीथिंग लीगल कानून सोसाइटल बॉन्ड है
the institution of marriage I would say is a major bond for both the genders.
Yeah.
Both
It's
get
one of the
exploited.
biggest bonds actually, no?
Both
It's
get
one of the
exploited
biggest
in
bonds.
different ways.
Yeah, bro.
Yes.
It's like
Women-
commitment to something
Yes.
for a very
For a
long
lifetime.
हाँ, तो
dude.
देख
Yeah.
बात ये है कि तुम इससे निकलोगे कैसे
It might be the most incoherent thing you could have ever imagined. But yes, we are gonna talk on that topic today.
Okay, so we are doing a
Independence.
podcast on how independent and
Are we?
but what
Are
is
we
it?
independent?
Okay, so just tell me the title.
Fuck the title. Are you independent? Right now, you're depending on the title of your own show. Whoa, man.
Because you want to give an identity to it. You're depending on words to assign identity to something.
You know, if only they could charge us for the language we use. Dude, oh my god. Then
I would have to sell myself,
Yeah, exactly. So how independent are we?
We are so dependent.
So the whole thing is people run around plagiarism.
What is plagiarism?
What
bro?
is
Like, I'm
actually
talking to
plagiarism?
Are you plagiarizing? Is language plagiarism?
If language is plagiarism, or if we had to pay for every word we use, we would be very broke by now.
Yeah, I would probably be selling myself every night if I had to pay for the language I use.
Every
'cause-
night?
Yeah.
Bro, for the language you use, maybe, bro.
Because I am my words.
Oh fuck! So you're selling your words. So
Or people might buy your words.
Because yeah, that's what I'm as an independent rapper, probably that's what I'm trying to do. Define myself through my words and then trying to sell that in the market. So whatever version of Blue people get to see is his words, but not where those words came from.
fuck.
So being independent now is always grounded to your reality.
And we have fucked it up for you completely. Like
Exa-
दिमाग का भोसड़ा हो गया है.
भोसड़ा हो गया, like
Fuck man, so
The-
भाई मैं अभी ये recordings देख रहा है मेरे को न्यूक्लियर मशरूम क्लाउड्स दिख रहे हैं.
एक कोई रोल करना.
bro, and moreover, अगर independent बनना ही है तो why not get grounded again? Grounded to yourself.
प्रवचन 101.
Yeah.
प्रवचन 101.
Grounded to your bro, because देख तू इंडिपेंडेंट तभी बनता है जब तेरे को वैलिडेशन नहीं चाहिए रहता है किसी से. जब तू खुद को वैलिडेट करता है, यू आर इंडिपेंडेंट ऑन योर ओन.
You
Yeah,
love
dude.
validating yourself.
Dude,
Jerk off more.
Jerk off. It's ecstatic, or what
So I-
can you call it?
Yes,
Just
this-
be in
That's
there.
independence at its best,
Okay, so
dude.
I have
Jerking
this thing.
off.
So जो तुम आर्टिस्ट है अभी, तुमने वो जो आर्टिस्ट बोला, वो भी तुम किसी के वैलिडेशन के लिए स्टार्ट किया ना.
हाँ हाँ.
So every art form comes out of a validation.
हाँ.
It seeks out of a validation.
लेकिन
started with
मेरा
my
बेस्ट
art-
गाना तब निकला था जब मैं खुद को वैलिडेट किया था और मेरे को ये लगा था कि ये एनफ है और मेरे को किसी
तूने
और का
उसको
वैलिडेशन
रे-
चाहिए
सुन,
नहीं.
तूने उसको रिकॉर्ड किया, तूने उसको बाहर निकाला. वो
तूने
बहुत
उसको
वैलिडेशन
सुना है.
पूछना है, ठीक है? तू
पूछना
इधर
है.
रियल हो.
अच्छा हाँ, that's a way of thinking.
But then the entire thing is when you're content with your work and when you're giving
See,
like
work is
तेरे
the
को
only
लग
thing, like if I'm willing to spend my free time on something that I can somehow profit off, even if I can't, doesn't matter, but if it's fun, do it, man.
yeah actually. And अभी तेरे को किस चीज के लिए पैसे नहीं मिलते is the thing. Bro, you jerk off in front of a cam, you get paid for it.
ये अपलोड नहीं होगा.
अरे चलता है.
चलता है
अबे
ब्रो.
bro, मैं आपसे
अपन
20 साल बाद-
पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं
मैं आज
मस्त.
से 20 साल बाद कहीं ऐसा मस्त गंजा फूक के बैठा होगा और मैं ऐसे निकालेगा, बोलेगा ये क्या है जो सुनते हैं ना, ऐसा नहीं सुनेगा और बोलेगा बैंच.
Bro, physical pleasures के लिए कौन नहीं जीता है?
सुन ब्रो.
हाँ bro.
मतलब
वो सुबह उठ के जो
मेरा वो
टट्टी करने का फीलिंग है ना, सुट्टा मारते मारते, that physical pleasure, that's worth living for.
ऐसा वो अभी भी मारने में मजा आता है.
मैं
जब-
dependent है उस feeling.
हाँ, मतलब वो
Independent
अभी
है.
भी मारने में मजा आता है जब वो सब कुछ हो जाएगा, like a
Bro.
nice bungalow, if you have a nice bungalow and you have nice like a room and stuff.
सोने.
But
and then वहाँ पे भी it'll be the
Did you
same
just
thing.
make a bungalow out of my shitting story?
Bro.
Why not? Build bungalows out of shitting stories. That's
Bro, and moreover, that's the only time when you're with yourself, with nothing else on your head.
That
Or in your hand.
Huh?
Or
if
in-
you're talking about jerking off.
Might be. So the thing is, when you are grounded, when you're self-centered, when you look at yourself with that ecstatic, yeah, it is in me.
Like I can make myself calm.
Calm.
By
Exactly.
myself.
Exactly. So why would you seek validation? So when you stop seeking for validation, is where independency sort of develops inside of us.
That's when you become truly independent.
Exactly, sort of.
सच में.
इसका
ब्रो ये सब बात छोड़ ब्रो.
हाँ.
सच बात पे आते हैं. We have two rappers.
Yeah,
in the
we
house.
have blue, we have
Blue
blue.
and rock.
So a rap session on some.
Your bars,
rebellious
man.
songs.
Whatever you feel
Whatever you
about
feel.
independence.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sorted. So 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
झंडा तो गाड़ा बना दिया, गड्ढा में किया भरोसा, हाँ मैं ना समझता अब गड्ढा में जीता हूँ। चाहिए आजादी आजादी हराम तो मैं हूँ हरामी, अंधा सितारा मैं देता हूँ रोशनी, अंधेरा लेकिन है आंखों के सामने झंडा सफेद और दिल में कोई खौफ नहीं, चल दिए खुद को हम मालिक मान के। Guess I'm independent, guess I'm independent. If I'm independent, why am I always underrepresented, always resented, always hated? I think that I am just a vote, just a note, just a goat meant for the slaughter. The government got eyes on every single son, every single daughter. Democracy ain't working cause the demography's corrupt. They want me to be like them, got the votes, just cuff it up. For the flag, for the country, for the thieves and the mantris, for the people that are starving and the rich that's always hungry. डूबे में डूबा हूँ क्योंकि दीवाना हूँ, मेरी का हवन करूँ बस उठाना तू जब खो जाऊँ मैं, बस यहाँ आना तू देश नशे में, भाई मैं कौन सा अलग हूँ। गिरा में गड्ढों में गांधी का दोष क्या, अकेले नहीं हाथों पे खूनी खरोच क्या, सुनिए मांग गुजारी सफेदी गरीबी खरीदी जमीर का दोष क्या, थाम ले मुझे कुछ नाम दे मुझे, कहीं थम न जाऊं मैं कम सा हूँ हरदम कहाँ हूँ, छोड़ दे मुझे थोड़ी आंखें चढ़ी, मेरी बातें मेरी सुनी नहीं, डाले सारे हद कड़ी, आगे आके बातें माने ऊपर वाले की जोश में ना, जो होश में ना होश खोजू सारे देख मत होश यहाँ, आजादी प्रजाति की चीज ही ना, बनेगा जिहादी गरीब ही ना, जो लाई चिंगारी सुधारी हालात, चलाई जो कट्टे जो निकली बारात, भारत माँ की मैंने प्रार्थना की, मैं क्रांतिकारी अपराधी हूँ क्या, नंगे तन पे बस खादी डाल, मचाई तबाही ये पैसे का जाल, हरामी कसाई तू गर्दन न डाल, ये बस तू भाग जा, बस तू भाग जा, बस तू भाग जा, बस तू भाग जा।
बार्स फाइव
क्या शब्द ब्रो,
अंगार था भाई, अंगार था, बहुत हार्ड।
एकदम पोएट्स की याद दिला दी ब्रो।
And these guys are modern day poets.
हाँ ब्रो, मतलब लाइक सोसाइटी डिनाई क्यों करती है भाई,
Bro,
शब्द हमारे अलग है पर
ब्रो मैं देख
इमोशन सेम है, इमोशन पे जाओ शब्दों
ब्रो
पे नहीं।
मैं विद ऑल
शब्दों पे भी
रिस्पेक्ट मेरे को ये लगता है पर्सनली कि दी प्रेजेंट जनरेशन इज वेरी मोर डायरेक्ट, ठीक है। अभी उनको सेक्स करना होगा तो वो गालिब के टाइप नहीं बोलेंगे कि हम आपकी गहराइयों में उतरना चाहते हैं।
प्रेजेंट टाइम्स नहीं ब्रो, हमेशा से ह्यूमंस हैव बीन लाइक दिस ब्रो, इट्स जस्ट दैट बीच में जब टेलीविजन ये सब
Bro,
चीज
but
आया
that-
ना, तब रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया गया नेटवर्क को।
दिस इज एज ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, तो अब कोई नहीं बोलेगा कि हमें गहराइयों में उतरना, लाइक लेट्स हुक अप, यू नो व्हाट इट इज।
Yeah.
तो यही ये भी एक बॉन्ड ही है।
पर नहीं भाई, पर आज का समय इतना डाइवर्स है कि देयर आर पीपल हु स्टिल वांट गहराइयों में डूबना है, ठीक है। आज हर चीज की ऑडियंस है भाई, मेरे इस पॉडकास्ट की शायद ऑडियंस हो सकती है।
हो रही है।
मेरे को क्या लगता है ना कि सोसाइटी इज लाइक, जैसे एक बंदा गोज थ्रू फेजेस इन लाइफ, द सोसाइटी गोज लाइक थ्रू द सेम फेजेस। जैसे कि when we are kids, okay, when we are kids we are more restricted, and then slowly we become teenagers, and then we become very rebellious and try to break away the bonds, and we become very violent
Oh,
and
fuck,
aggressive
that
about
makes
it,
sense.
and
Bro, but
then we
the
become
truth
liberal
is-
slowly.
but the
But
truth
society grows like that. See, the Indian society after it got independence, it was probably way more conservative than it is now.
Yeah.
So it was a
Very.
young society, and now slowly as it's progressing, it's trying to break free from those roots, and then it will become more liberal. Then maybe.
Not
I
to
don't
be rude to your point, but my dad had a very free childhood. Throughout history, children have had the most free life, ठीक है. Society has become hard on children now. They were always allowed to run free. They were allowed to play, bro.
Yeah, that's there.
So
But
it's flipped
I
right
guess
now.
that's how society is
Conservatism is strictly focused on the media, and the media is completely anti-conservative.
So I got a point
So it's
here.
building two completely different debates about our society. Our society is not like
let
that.
Vivek talk now.
So I got a point here. So we talking about Independence Day, right? So as Blue said, it's growing. देख, अगर हम लोग मान के चले कि 1945 में या 1947 1947 में हमें आज़ादी मिली है, तो तब हमारा देश जन्म लिया, तो you see the overall growth. We are talking about a mass of population altogether. So the growth is gradual. But this is the age of information. Like our generation has everything on their fingertips. And so the main thing would be what's keeping them to that or keeping them bound to that
Yeah.
is their own selves.
Yes.
ठीक है, कि देख तेरे सोच के ऊपर है। अभी तेरे को कोई भी टीचर स्कूल में नहीं सिखाएगा कि भाई तू जाके बाहर रायट कर,
See, but the truth is, our country restricts media. The biggest country in the world restricts media. USA restricts media. USA sends fake media, just like ours. So, like, what's the truth? ये लोग तो छुपा ही जाएंगे. तो independent हो सकते without knowing what
I
the
have
heck is
like
happening.
one more fuck all metaphor.
Okay. Fuck all metaphor.
Fuck all
from
metaphor.
MC Blue.
For our country. Like,
Okay,
it's
for the
not-
country.
Yeah. So basically, I feel like a child born out of an abusive relationship
Okay.
will go through a lot of troubled things in life while
Yeah.
growing up.
Just
So
like
even-
our country has.
Just like our country has.
After the independence.
Yeah, because
Oh.
the abusive dad or
Fire,
mom, I don't
fire.
know, I won't assign the genders or anything, but the one abusive parent was the Britishers,
Okay.
and the abused parent was this land, and the
Ah.
child was India.
See, he's a motherfucking
Poet,
poet,
bro.
bro. He's a
Poet,
poet.
poet, modern
He's a
time
modern day
poet.
poet.
I just felt like that.
तो शेक्सपियर है बच्चों.
So now,
Shakespeare है.
so that's why India is always going through all kinds of dilemmas.
भाई पर एक चीज डिस्कस करना बनता है. तो जब ब्रिटिश रूल हुआ उसी वक्त मीडिया ब्लॉसम हुआ इंडिया में. और क्या ब्लॉसम हुआ ब्रो? डिनाई कर सकते हो तुम?
देख मीडिया उस समय सिर्फ प्रिंट मीडिया हुआ, राइट?
भाई,
न्यूज़पेपर ब्लॉसम
Bro,
हुआ.
see,
मेरे हिसाब से
actually, the media was a form of revolution. Like
in
it
the
served the
starting.
revolution.
in the starting.
Yeah.
No,
even in-
throughout.
See,
Bro,
the
Gandhi's
main
struggles
way
were
that-
broadcast in all of Europe.
Oh yes, yes.
The main way
yes.
that people got this idea of a nation and that we should be free was through handwritten newspapers by the revolutionaries who were working underground against the Britishers during those
But
times.
bro, don't you agree? India is a continent masquerading as a country.
That's a debatable point though, but it's a very interesting point.
How is it debatable? Because it has more population than the entire continent of Africa.
Yeah.
More
Yeah,
than the
and
It's
entire
still a
con-
country.
Yeah, it's still a country.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, I mean, yeah, of course.
Bro, population को देख के चले, it's pretty good.
But
dude.
going
It's
by
not
like
that bad.
geographic divisions of continents and shit, then it should, then Europe shouldn't be a.
Exactly. So
Continent, right? Yeah.
there is no defined structure to a continent. Europe is the EU. Today,
Yeah.
Europe is just the EU.
Huh.
Whatever is not EU is
Not
not
Europe.
Europe.
The country these days is divided on the cultural or sort of the cultural bondage they share, and moreover it's something that a tribe altogether has something up to look at it.
Okay.
You may consider it as fictitious.
So France and England have primarily the same culture, very different, agreed, but it's split off very recently, and they have much more of a shared culture than Kerala and Uttar Pradesh.
See, the diversity of
It's,
cultures
it's
in
good.
India
It's
is
the
lot.
most beautiful thing
Yeah.
ever. Like we have the most diverse culture possible.
Dude,
But I don't think it's being represented.
I guess it's been represented in wrong ways.
Bro,
Yeah, also
I can
wrong
blame
ways.
globalization for it. See, when you are spearheading a country, you represent entire country as one thing, and it's just impossible to just put together all these diversities on one plate and serve them.
Yeah.
भाई तू एक प्लेट पे खीर और सांभर कैसे रखेगा?
Do you know, no offense to any presiding systems.
नहीं रखते हैं ना शादी वादी में.
Nice joke.
But see, I basically think that all the nations in the world, they started off with one idea, like
Yeah.
a place for Muslims, a place for Hindus, a place for Christians, or
Yes.
maybe a place for similar looking people or whatever, stuff like that. But then as society progressed, the boundaries became more and more open. So
Yeah.
now people don't identify to those divisions anymore. It's more like the name, the brand. Like India is a brand and you're a part of it, you're a part of it.
Dude, your
It doesn't
religion
matter
is a
who you
brand.
are.
And
Yeah.
moreover, you're representing one particular
Your
brand.
fucking
It's
caste is
merely
a brand.
impossible to
Bro.
put in all the diversity out
Bro,
there in one particular.
Vivek, I got to think.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is your caste a brand?
Might be, bro. शादी करने में तो वही काम आता है.
Like seriously, matrimonial pages देखा है bro.
हाँ.
Caste mentioned रहता है, height
Height.
mentioned रहता है, साला
कितना
काम.
dark है.
Bro, bro, internet in India ने क्या बना दिया bro, matrimonial site. और कोई देश में है matrimonial site.
सही में यार.
भाई क्या concept है भाई पर.
हाँ bro.
भाई
शादी
किसी
dot-
मतलब Indian
commercialization
matchmaking
of
देखा है?
marriage, bro.
Netflix पे Indian matchmaking देखा है?
हाँ, वो fuck,
Bro,
that
बहुत
thing's bad,
tricky
man. That
bro.
thing's bad.
Bro, no offense, but टट्टी लगा.
टट्टी है bro.
Shaadi.com sponsorship देना है तो प्लीज हमें हमारे ईमेल नीचे
अब लोग
डिस्क्रिप्शन में
भर के गाली देंगे.
हम इंडियन मैच मेकिंग को गाली देंगे एंड विल प्रमोट Shaadi.com.
Bro, तन्मय भट्ट गाली देते हैं, Netflix से पैसा बनाते
हाँ ब्रो, गाली देने का पैसा कमाता है.
तन्मय भट्ट
I
क्या
think- I
है?
think-
भाई साहब ये है
Open
क्या?
the chat bro, open the chat.
Open the chat. है क्या ये?
Hi guys.
I think you're deviating a little bit, bro. But then this thing, you know, 70 years
भाई
down the
चलो
lane.
इस चीज की हाँ,
70 odd years down the lane, ठीक है. कहाँ हसल था
और कहाँ
रोटी
hustle है?
कपड़ा मकान का. अभी PNP पैसा नशा प्यार चाहिए लोगों को.
नहीं मेरे को क्या लगता है ना वो सेम चीज ही है मतलब
हाँ,
पहले
हाँ।
भी जो स्ट्रगल था अभी भी वही है जिस
बट थोड़ा मॉडर्न डे
modern
पे
day,
modern
modern
day.
day.
आज की स्ट्रगल सबसे ज्यादा शेप है ना इंटरनेट ने कर दी और इंटरनेट पे भाई रिप्रेजेंट भाई इंडी आर्टिस्ट जो खुद को इंडिपेंडेंट बुलाते हैं इंडी आर्टिस्ट जो खुद को इंडिपेंडेंट बुलाते हैं उनकी स्ट्रगल्स क्या यूनिक है ब्रो
हाँ ब्रो.
पर भाई फिर लेबल आके चुरा ले जाता है
क्या लेबल रिलीजन
भाई नहीं भाई हम देख
तुम
रैपर्स
इंडिपेंडेंट हो एंड देन रिलीजन आता है
Rappers
एंड देन
है.
तुम्हें चुरा ले जाओ
रैपर्स है हमारे PNP पे लात मत
नहीं
मारो.
it's not like चुरा के ले जा रहा है it's like basically the labels or any platform
Okay.
like think of the label as a stage okay,
Okay.
where you're getting to go only if the crowd is accepting you or something like that.
Yes.
So basically it's the people deciding whether you should have a career in music or not.
Not.
It's not like whether you're good or bad, how marketable you are. आज देख ढिंचैक पूजा मेरे से ज्यादा
मार्केटेबल है अभी
कमाई है
हाँ,
कमाई है ब्रो कमाई है.
देख ब्रो पर सच है कि इवन लेबल्स आर कल्टिश ब्रो सी ब्रो वी आर अप एंड कमिंग इंडिपेंडेंट आर्टिस्ट्स हमको भाई फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच तो चाहिए ही चाहिए ब्रो क्या क्या बोल देते हैं हम लोग भाई इतने 10 मिनट में क्या क्या बोल दिए
ब्रो
भाई ये सब मत बोल रहे हो डर लगता है
ब्रो देख वो एक चीज है ना
खुद ही आएगा।
वो सबसे वो है ठीक है वो उसके वजह से कई लोग बोल नहीं पाते कईयों के अंदर दबा रह जाता है. अभी मेरे को लगता है डिप्रेशन का भी मेन कारण वही है बिकॉज when everyone strangles you from all this side and you have no one to speak or when you're afraid of speaking altogether और तू thoughts खुद में बरी करते रहता है and one day obviously you explode.
So that
there
itself
was a
becomes
time
another burden.
there was
Another
a
burden, yeah bro.
See,
that's
there was a
another
time where
dependence.
doing this was illegal.
Very
Talking to
illegal.
a lot of people
Oh,
was
yes.
illegal.
Oh, yes.
Okay, we are legal to do that right now, but please don't restrict our languages.
Yes, that's like
Emotions
not
enjoy.
our language, everyone's language on social media, and it's
The voice is the most powerful tool public can have.
Oh, yes.
Very
Like we aren't given anything more. At
I mean,
least
the
in
only reason
capitalism.
why human beings developed so much is because we learned to communicate better than the other animals.
animals
And they
yes.
still restrict communication, bro. We want to go back savages, bro.
No, thing is, the government wants us to be savages and they want to be civilized so that
Yeah, but the
controlling
problem is
becomes
that
easier.
तुमने हमको दिखा दिया है बहुत.
हाँ.
तुमको ज्यादा evil बनना
Bro.
था दिखाते ही नहीं. अब तुमने दिखा दिया. अब
और
हम रुकेंगे नहीं.
देख मेरे को
अब हम
उधर
सब
एक-
देखेंगे. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद.
जिंदाबाद. देख मेरे को एक अभी बहुत फेमस
Quote
कोट
है।
याद आ रहा है
मंटो का।
का कि अगर समाज को हमारी कहानियां पसंद नहीं तो पूरा समाज ही नाकाबिले बर्दाश्त है.
Could you just translate this in English
So-
to the audience?
It's like कि अगर you cannot bear these atrocities what we speak of then the whole society is unbearable.
Because our stories come from
Societies where we live in
yeah,
and it's just different perspective altogether.
it's like the society is scared to look at itself.
itself.
It's scared to stand in front of the mirror.
The
Why?
society
Because
only
the
wants to
society-
look at the cleaner side.
Yeah, so that is the society's fault.
Yes.
Mirror का
It's
गलती
not
तो
they
नहीं है
don't
ना.
want to not look at it. It's that they've hidden it away.
Exactly.
They know, they see it.
They just
But
want
they're
the icing on the
no,
cake and not the whole cake.
Yeah, they ignore it. And this ignoring is really bad because then you start judging us and we're not
Yeah.
to be judged.
Speaking on those lines, another metaphor I have.
Yeah.
Basically, I think art is like a piece of glass. Okay.
Oh.
So if it's concave, then if you look through it at the society, things will look bigger
Okay,
than they
yeah.
are. It will look bigger.
Oh,
but
yes,
if you
yes.
look at it
Metaphor
from the
of
other
being
side,
child.
then the society will look smaller. But if you just paint one side of the glass, it's a mirror, and you can put it in front of the society.
Yes.
And if the society is scared to look at itself, that means the society is in a very bad condition.
Fuck yeah.
Very bad condition indeed.
ए ब्रो ब्लू पास करना ब्रो.
माल किसके पास है?
Bro, अगला स्कोर के लिए सब्सक्राइबर मांग रहा है bro.
रुमाल तो खत्म हो गया. डीलर बोलता है कि 500 सब्सक्राइबर्स का 10 ग्राम देगा.
अरे भाई
चल
ए
भाई।
तुम लोग करो यार कुछ सब्सक्राइब करो.
अगला पॉडकास्ट.
ब्रो
चलो
हाँ
अगला
चलो
score पे
अरेंज
मिलेंगे।
करते हैं चलो.
चलो ब्रो इट्स डन. फक इट ब्रो.